Okay. Am I audible? Please confirm.
Yes, yes, Nisarg sir. Got it.
Thank you, Hardik sir. Yeah. So I guess everyone is and we have all the participants. Maybe some of them are absent. Some, I guess, 2 or 3 are absent. Is it lagging for everyone?
No, it was just initially. Now it's fine, I guess.
Okay. Yeah. So we welcome you to the final round of the math trivia. Okay, for grade 10. There are 4 houses, and it's going to be really interesting. And it's not the math that we study in the class. Okay, so if someone is thinking that it's going to be boring, no. So I'll quickly present the screen. I have the device as well. Wait. So I guess you can see the whole screen, right? Every student is required to turn on their cameras. Only the participants are here and the mentor teachers. Please turn on your cameras. Okay, I see Arham, Diplok. I also see Tanvir, Rich, Pratham. Oh my God, this is miracle. Subnet camera turn on here. Swayam, you can also do this. Okay.
Chris Patel is here.
Uh, I'm checking. Yes, Krish is there. I guess Krish. Yeah.
Yeah. So only 2 students are absent.
Okay.
Riyansh,
So we are Reyansh and
Tanisha, Tanisha
okay,
Tayal.
so those teams who are having one team member less, I guess they'll have to apply more of their brain, right? So you divide that one brain into 0.3333, whatever. Okay, so we are going to start. So
So
please
there's a lag.
go
Lag.
number
Sure, lag.
Nisarg sir, there is a lag.
Major lag.
Sir, lag. Lag.
Okay. I'm speaking now, so I mega lag.
Nisarg sir,
Please
you
let
want
me
me
know
to
if
take it up?
it's fine now. Is the audio clear now? So okay, Ananya says it's fine now. So maybe Hardik sir, whenever it goes away, right? You can continue.
Okay.
सर आप
Yeah.
कैमरा ऑफ कर लो ना.
हाँ.
Nisarg sir, what you can do is you can switch off your camera so maybe your voice will be steady.
Okay, I turned off the camera. Is that fine now? I guess I turned off the camera, so now it should not be a problem.
Yeah, you audible. Audible.
Okay, cool. So we are going to start. I'll quickly let you through the instructions. So there are 2 rounds. First round is a visual one. Each team is going to get 5 questions, and only top 2 teams will advance to the next round. And in second round, lagging again. I guess Hardik sir, you can continue with this because in Chromebook, I guess it is going to lag a lot.
Okay. I will take it up. Nisarg sir, can you just present the screen? I will take up the.
Yeah.
Sir, you can continue.
Okay. Okay, students. So there are 2 rounds. Okay. So basically, this is the instructions for the whole round. Okay, so first round is the visual round, where there are 4 teams and each team will get 5 questions, right? And at the end of this visual round, only 2 teams will move ahead in the next round. Okay. So 2 teams will move ahead and 2 teams will be eliminated after the first round. And for the first round, you are going to get not 1 minute 30 seconds, but 1 minute. Okay, you are going to get 1 minute per question. Okay, timer will be set, which you will be able to see on the screen itself. 1 minute for each question, you will be getting it, right? And then after the end of this round, we will look at the scores, and then 2 teams will move ahead in the second round. And second round will be like each team will be getting 8 questions to answer, and for each question will be getting 30 seconds. And the team which is answering more number of questions out of the left 2 teams in the final round, they will be the winner. Okay, clear with the instructions, everyone?
Sir,
Yes.
is it 1 minute 30 seconds or 1 minute for the first round?
1 minute. 1 minute.
Clear.
Okay, next slide, Nisak sir.
Am I audible clearly? I just
Yes,
checked
sir,
it.
you are.
Okay, I guess Chromebooks are not worthy. Okay, yeah. So
Okay.
visuals, we have already discussed the instructions, and there is no passing in this round. You can't pass any of the questions. So, okay, I will not take this. For this, we have the flippity for the first round. Now I'll quickly again give you the instructions. There are 4 teams, so I will go team by team, only team 1, 2, 3, 4, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, each team will get 5 turns. Now you have to ignore the last 2 columns. Your questions are lying in only the first 4 categories. So categories are also there: triangles, numbers, patterns plus equations, and logic plus the non-verbal part. Okay, and there are 5 questions in each. Difficulty level will of course be a bit higher in 500 as compared to 100 marks question. So it's totally up to you. So each team will be having a chance to go for either 500 or 400. So you know, right, that there is equal chance, equal probability for all of the questions. So we will start with team 1.
There is negative marking.
Negative marking is, so I guess we already played flippity first. So if I this is a null question, so if I go over here, let's say Hardik sir is choosing this question, and if I click, let's say this is the question, if the question is right, I will award marks to his team. So it will be correct, the answer will be displayed, and team 1 will get 100 marks. Of course, right now we'll remove that, so it goes back to 0. Team 1, don't take it personally. Yeah.
Plus or minus the same marks.
Yeah, plus or minus the same marks. So if you want 500, it's possibility that it can go minus 500. There is this, what's the dialogue, risk hai to isk hai, or isk hai to risk hai, jo, I guess something like that, right? So if you want a good marks, you will have to choose higher questions, otherwise you'll not be able to go to the next round, right? So are all the participants ready? You cannot use calculator in certain questions where it is needed. We will allow that you can use calculator. And one more thing, since there are 4 people, and in some teams there are 3 people, what will happen is there can be a chaos in communication. So you have to appoint one person for one question, that yes, in this team Krish will answer, in this team Tanish will answer, and like that. Because if one person is speaking 5, other person is speaking 10, so we'll consider whatever comes first. Are we clear with that? So multiple answers nahi chalenge. Okay, Hardik sir, I guess we can start, right, for the first team?
Yes, we can start with team 1.
Okay, so team 1, you have these 4 categories and 5 questions in each. Choose any of them.
Who is going from team 1?
Sir, we don't know our team numbers. Can you display it once again?
Okay, I'll again display your team numbers, not a problem. Team 1 dignity, team 2 integrity, team 3 liberty, and team 4 unity. Arham, you are in 3rd team.
Yes.
Okay. Krish is saying he'll go from team 1. Okay. You'll have to speak, unmute your mic, and speak the category as well as the marks.
Sir, 500 triangle.
500 in triangles. Okay, cool. We have question 17 from the PPT. So we'll go to PPT quickly. And we have question number 17, which is here. I'll just display it. Which number will replace the question mark? The question mark which is given, and your timer is also starting.
Sir, 5.
So your answer is 5. Okay, it was very quick, like only 14 seconds, 15 seconds. Krish ka answer 5 hai. Let's see whether his answer is correct or not. Answer is correct. So that's 5. Team 1 gets the points. That was correct. Can you quickly also tell us the logic behind that? If this is the question, what will be the logic?
Sir, the top number is half of the sum
Correct.
of the bottom numbers.
Correct. So it's the average. That's cool. Team 1 stands on 500. That's max. Now turn team 2's turn. Select category. Select a question.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Arav.
400 numbers.
Numbers 400. We have first question from the PPT. Okay, your time starts now.
Twenty-five.
25. Okay, your answer is 25. I'm stopping the timer. It was approx 30 seconds, half a minute. You are giving the answer. 25 is the answer from Arrow. It's 13. So it's going to be a wrong one. I'll give you the logic behind it. 12 times 12 is 144. You add all of the digits of 144. Similarly, you do it for the other as well. So whatever the product is, you'll have to add the respective digits with each other. Okay. So we'll quickly discuss the logic, not going into much depth. Team 3, your question as well as your category, please.
Sir, triangle 400.
Triangles 400. Cool. Question 15 from the PPT. So this is the question. And your time is also starting. Which will replace the question mark?
Eight.
Third team is Arham. You are in third team.
Yes.
So your final answer is?
Sir, Tanay will confirm.
Okay, Tanay will confirm. Cool.
Sum of bottom numbers is getting subtracted by that number at the top. Tanay.
Okay.
Okay, so 8.
8. Final answer. Okay. Not this. It was 9. 11 minus 2 is 9. In the triangle upper, it was 6, 5 and 2. The logic was correct, but then answer is again incorrect. Okay. Minor error in looking for the numbers. But it was correct logic, Arham. Okay, fourth team. Category. Triangle.
Patterns 300.
Patterns 300. Cool. We have 11th question from PPT. It's not necessary that we have number patterns all the time. So above there is some sort of pattern and there are 4 options. Select any one of them which will fit correctly.
Option B. 2 and 2.
2. Okay, so option 2. Option 2 is the answer that they are choosing. And let's see 11th May. It's third option. So team 4 is scoring incorrect. Okay. Let's quickly discuss. So if you see the vertical lines, wherever they have common parts, only they will remain. The opposite parts will just get subtracted. So over here we have two lines, both of them are common. We'll go to the full answer. So third will be the answer. Okay. Again, going to team 1. Select
From team
the-
4. Team 4, who answered the question?
Team 4. Yes, someone answered from team 4. I was not able to look at that person. Who answered from team 4?
Tanish.
Me, Devshlok.
Dev Shlok answered. Yeah. Team 1. Oh, सब लोग नेगेटिव में टॉप कर रहे हैं. Nice.
Sir,
Yeah.
I would like,
Any one person from team 1.
Yeah, go Saksham.
sir, I would like to choose patterns 400.
Patterns plus equations 400. We have question 6 from the PPT. Okay. This is the pattern. Your time is also starting. Any figure can be traced by a single unbroken line without retracing. Thirty seconds.
Sir, question answer 2.
Answer 2. Okay. Saksham is saying answer 2. Let's see. Yes, it was correct. Team 1 scores mark. If you see the star and the circle inside a circle and this triangle with a line, so you can trace it with a single unbroken line. Retrace it. Okay. Team 2, category plus question.
Sir,
I was not able to hear that again.
Sir, patterns 500. Patterns plus equations 500.
Patterns plus equations 500. This is team 2.
Who is going for team 2?
Yes, please say your name.
Sir, Swayam.
Swayam. Patterns,
Swayam.
equations.
And nobody
500.
will write down answer in the chat box, and nobody else team member will speak now. Okay.
Yeah, 500. Cool. Question 10 from PPT. Let's take it. So you've taken 500. Cool. So we have a pattern over here, problem figures. You have to select one of the answer figures which will come after E.
So timer.
Okay, yeah, so my bad. We'll take 5 seconds for that. Okay, starting. So 10 seconds are already considered. I'll also start the timer simultaneously in the phone. So it's better.
Sir, answer is 1.
Answer is 1. So you are saying first answer Z and X. Okay, let's see. Question 10. Answer was third. Okay. So this was team 2, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And the figures are getting flipped all the time.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a question before the question starts.
Yes, definitely. Please.
So like if we tell one of our team members to go ahead, is that the only person who would be answering, or the whole team can discuss and answer?
So we want only one person to give the answer.
Okay.
Sir, sir.
clear.
Yeah.
Sir, can you go back on the question?
Yeah. This is the question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You got it right. The
Yes,
things are getting
I
flipped.
made a silly mistake. I flipped it vice versa.
Okay, so it's they are water images. Okay.
Yeah.
Team 3 and your category and your question.
Sir, I'm going and logic 300.
Logic non-verbal 300. Cool. We have 20th question from PPT. That's the last one. Starting the timer as well. Which glass gets filled third if there is a constant supply of water? There is a note. The glasses are sealed tight, which means once they are full, there is no overflow, but the water has to go back to fill other glasses. From 1 to 7, you just have to say a number.
So it's 7.
7. Okay. Your answer is 7. Let's see. The answer is
Which?
3.
Which?
Answer is, this was which team, sir?
Third.
Um,
Team
which,
3.
it was
It was
third.
done third.
Third. So you see, first the 7th will be filled, then overflow
Yes.
nahi hoga, so we'll go back. Then 6th will be filled, and then third will be filled. Then it will go back to 1, and the others will be filled. So it was 3, right? Okay. So now we have team 4. Your question?
Who is going from team 4?
Team 4.
Numbers 500.
Numbers and 500.
Anushri,
Oh,
right?
that's a high risk. 500 numbers. We have 13th question from PPT, and let's take that question. Oh, nice. 500. Your time starts now. What number comes inside the circle where there is a question mark? Twenty seconds.
6.
Your answer is
6.
okay. Anushri is answering 6. Let's see. That's correct. So that was the correct logic. Okay. What we are doing is left and right, we are adding them and we are taking the average. Okay. So if you add 9 plus 3, it's 12 by 2, 6. Just have to find the patterns. Again, going to team 1, and the scores are like this. Team 1 is leading and team 2 is leading from the other end. So yeah. Team 1.
Sir, numbers 300.
Numbers 300. We have 18th question from PPT.
Krish Saksham, I think it's 16. Do you guys have any other inputs?
Shall we lock it? Oh, I forgot the timer.
Yeah, sir, 16.
16, okay. That was the correct answer. This was team 2.
Sir, team 1.
Your team 1, okay. You can also explain the logic.
So 2 and the diagonal number, it's 4. So that's double. It's 4, 8 and 8, 16. So that happened the same with 3,
That's
6,
correct.
12 and
So
25.
diagonal on the left side or even from left to right or right to left, the same logic applies. Okay. So that's true. Now 1200 points. Cool. Team 2, who is coming from your team?
Logic 500.
Logic 500. Okay. 19th question from PPT. So that's logic. So in figure X, Y, Z, from X to Z, the paper will be folded and then the cuts are made. So after unfolding.
That's your timer.
Yes, thank you for reminding. After the unfolding, what will be the look of the whole thing? 20 seconds.
I think it is 2. Same
I
as
think
other.
it is, or is it? It
Two.
is. So your answer is 2.
Yeah.
Cool. Going to the thing. The answer was 2. That's correct. This was team. This was team number
2.
Okay, so that's correct for them. That was 2. And it's quite self-explanatory. You take the paper and then you'll have to imagine. Next team, team 3. Who is coming?
Sir, 400 logic.
Logic plus non-verbal 400. We have 16th question.
Sir, I cannot see the presented slide.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I'm presenting now. That's why I'll start the timer as well. What comes in question mark?
I think it is 1, Arham, because the common lines of the top 2 figures are present in the bottom figure. Arham?
Yes, audible. Even I would like to go with 1. Pratham,
Okay.
Dvij,
Okay,
confirm.
so we are going with
Sir,
1.
sir, a minute, sir, a minute.
Okay, I'm giving a minute. Cool.
Dvij, Pratham, confirm karo.
Which is also saying 1.
Yeah, Tanuj logic makes sense.
1.
Okay, so 16th, the answer was 1. That's correct. This was team 3. Correct. So, and the logic was also correct in that case.
I want each participant should keep their camera on.
Please keep your cameras on. Fourth team, who is
Yeah,
coming?
sure. So triangles 300.
Triangles, and in that 300, we have fourth question. Let's see. Yes, this is the question. Your time starts. आपका समय शुरू होता है अब.
तनिष 39 है शायद.
Yeah, sir, 39 because
39. Okay, Tanish and the team members are saying 39. So let's see. It was correct. Team 4 correct. Please explain the logic as well.
because the scale factor was 3, and when we calculate the hypotenuse line of the small triangle, then
Correct.
we get 13. So we get multiplied by that.
Correct. 12 times 3, 36. That's right. Okay, cool. After 3 rounds, this is the score that we have. Team 1 again leading. Now, last 2 rounds. Oh, 100 and 200. Only the easy questions are remaining. Team 1, yes. Who is coming from your team?
I will come, sir. I will take logic 200.
Logic 200. Right?
Yes, sir.
Logic plus non-verbal 200. That's question 3. Going to the PPT. Oh, this is your question. Please read the question. I'll start the timer.
Sir, 1.1 times bigger.
1.1 times bigger is what Krish says. Let's see. So that's true. This was team 1. Okay, you see the 2 circles. The outer radius is 11, inner radius is 10, and it's just the ratio of the radiuses. Other things get cancelled. Team 2.
Triangles 200.
Triangles 200. 9th question. Your time starts. what comes in the question mark. Twenty seconds. Four, three, two, one. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! So, um, okay, you can stop the timer thing. Okay, so there was no answer. I hope everyone's internet connection was stable from your team. Okay, everyone's is that correct? Yes, Ananya's team.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so there was no answer. The answer was 14. This was team 2.
Sir, can you explain?
Yeah. So if you see the numbers on the top and the left hand side number, if you take the difference of them, it's going to be like for the first one, 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 times 2 will give you 10. 14 minus 9 is 5 times 4 gives you 20. 4 minus 3, 1 times 2 gives you 2. 10 minus 3, 7 times 2 will give you 14. I hope this is clear. It's just about finding the patterns. Okay, cool. Moving to the next third team.
Sir, 200 numbers.
200 numbers. Everyone taking the higher marks. 14th question. Time starts now.
Pratham, I think it is 10 because 10 squared is 100 and it is isosceles. So 100 plus 100 equals 200.
Ram.
Agreed.
Agreed.
Okay. So your final answer is
10.
10.
Okay, cool. Your answer is 10, and that's the correct answer. Pythagoras will be very happy. This was third team. So that's correct for them. Okay, last team. And fourth round will be ending over here. Then last round remains.
Last 200. Patterns and equations 200.
Patterns and equations 200. That will be seventh question from the PPT. We have seventh question. Oh, this should be doable. Time starts now.
Sir, 9.
Answer is 9. Okay. That's the correct answer. Okay. 4 rounds are ending. This is the thing. This is the leading team, team 1. Then we have team 4, team 3, and then team 2. Last round, team 1, you can take a category.
Sir, numbers 100.
Numbers mein 100. Cool. That's the fifth question from PT. Let's go to fifth. The time starts now. Yes, you should need only 15 seconds for this, not 1 minute.
Anyone knows the answer? Krish, Saksham.
Sir, 180.
Your answer is 180. Is that final answer?
Sir, just 1 minute. No, sir. 160 actually.
I need a final answer. You
Okay,
should say final answer.
160,
160,
160.
160. Sir, I'm saying 160.
160 is your final answer. It was 200. That's wrong. I hope you got the logic. Okay. You are multiplying, but the even numbers are getting multiplied all the time. And this is 10 over here. Next team 2. Team 1 got only this one incorrect. Otherwise, they were correct all the time. Team 2.
Patterns equations 100.
Patterns, equations. That's the third one, right? Yeah. 100. Question 8 from PPT. Let's see. Yeah, this is the question. Your time starts now. Oh, previously it was chai. Now it's ice cream.
Okay. 100 plus 5.
I think it is
Sir,
9.
9. Sir, 9.
Final answer is
9.
okay. Final answer is 9, and it's 9. So that's right. This was team 2, and they have got it correct. Last 13.
Sir, logic 100.
Logic 100. We have second question. Correct.
You can turn on the timer.
Yeah, sorry. Let's consider 4 seconds in that.
Sana, I think it's the first.
Sorry?
I think it's the first one. A.
Yeah, I also think it's the first one.
Yes.
First one, shall I lock the first one? Okay. So that's A.
I think BBB.
Oh, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So you, as a team, please decide.
No, but the top orange is covering the middle two, purple and orange. So they won't appear, right?
You have 20 seconds.
Exactly. A. Sorry.
A. That's correct. A is correct. There was very thin line difference what Arham was thinking, but I guess that's right.
Sir, Arav was so curious to answer this. He was sending me different answers to.
Okay. I get it. Last team and triangles, and it's 100. That will be 12th question from PPT. Here you go. And then your timer starts. Yeah. Thirty seconds.
So
Yeah.
72.
72 is what Anushri is saying. Okay, I am locking 72. That's the correct answer. Please explain the logic as well, Anushri.
Basically, you just add the lower numbers and multiply it with the number on top.
Yeah, that's correct. You add the numbers at the bottom, at the base, multiply with the top number. That's correct. So after the visual round, this is the scenario. Team 1 is on the first position, 1300. Team 4, 800. Team 3, break even, no profit, no loss. Team 2 is in the loss of 500. So team 1 and team 4 will be going to the next round. Thank you, team 2 and team 3, for being a part of this event. Okay. Hardik sir, I guess they can stay in the meet, right? Just for observation.
Yeah, they can stay in the meet,
Yeah,
but
so team, yeah.
But nobody will write down any of the answers in the chat box, or else nobody will speak also, right?
Okay, so That's team 1 and team 4. And now we have the final round, which is a level up round. And I'll let you know the instructions. Each team will be asked 8 questions. And since you have come from the second round and you have some more knowledge, let's just take it in that way. Okay, so you'll have to be faster this time. So this is about also being fast. You only have 30 seconds to answer. And out of 8 questions, the team with the most correct answer wins the game. Okay, and you can of course discuss on the Zoom itself, but finally we want only one member to answer as per the decision taken by your group. Okay, so what we'll have is team 1, then team 4, again team 1, team 4 will follow that order. Is that fine? Okay, shall I start? Are both the teams ready? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so team 1, time starts now. You can discuss, by the way, on the meet.
भाई प्रथम क्या है?
आई थिंक ट्रिपल्स प्रॉफिट बोल तो शायद 300% हो सकता है, और कोई आइडिया नहीं आ रहा मेरे को. Okay, 150%, 150%. Saksham says 150%.
Okay, that's incorrect. That's incorrect. Thanks. Timer band ho gaya. We could have discussed the logic in detail, okay, but these questions will take a bit of time. You are doubling your selling price, but you are not changing your cost price. So you can take something as your cost price and then try to do this. Okay, what happens to the profit? You will find out that it is going to be 100%. The profit triples. So find the profit percent. It's 100%. Next, team 4. Just a second. I don't want this timer to turn on. Yeah, team 2. This is your question.
So start the timer.
Sorry. Consider 2 seconds.
$6.25.
6.25 is what Devshlok is saying. Okay, let's just see. And that's the correct answer. 6.25 is correct answer. Okay, answers are with me. Answers are with me. Devshlok, if you can just quickly discuss the logic in 2 lines, then we can move on.
32 into 10, so 32 runs are made. So last 40 overs, there are 250 runs remaining. So 250 divided by 40.
That's true. Okay, 4 seconds were remaining. You gave the correct answer. Team 1, for you the next question. Timer, sorry, my bad. Three, 2.
13%.
13%. Okay, they are saying 13%. Timer band ho jao, please. It's not 13%. It will be 20%. The answer will be 20%. You can recheck team 1. Okay. Only those numbers which are having 1 or 9. So third was incorrect. Team 4, for you, the next question is coming. This is the question.
Sir,
timer. We'll always consider timer starting from 27 seconds in that case.
X is equal to 2.
X is equals to 2. That's correct. X is 2. Logic or the concept that we use over here. Which concept is used? If you can quickly tell us.
The sign would be reciprocated to make the base equal. So x plus 3 is equal to x plus 1, x minus 1. So
Okay, got it. Will be 3 minus x. Okay.
Question number
Next,
3, team 1 gave it correct, right?
Nahin.
Question 3, incorrect.
So first question, team 1 incorrect. Team
Okay.
2 right till now दोनों के दो question थे. Team 1 के दोनों incorrect, team 4 दोनों correct.
Okay.
Moving to next one. Team 1. Timer 27 से. Okay.
Sir, 4.
Okay, our answer is 4 and that will be the correct answer. Cool. What will be the logic?
Sir, we use identity. So above we get 2.39 minus 1.61 bracket 2.39 plus 1.61. So
Correct.
then it gets cancelled.
That's correct. That's completely correct. Team 4. Now I will not forget the timer. Timer starts now. The square root of this whole thing. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. The timer, please. So just before this question, we had identities. We are again going to use identities. A plus b minus b, it's a square minus b square, right? And the correct answer for sixth question is plus or minus 2 because what you get is 4. 7 square is 49. 3 root 5 square is 45. So, right? Team 1, your turn. Next question. Timer starts now.
Sir, 4:5. Same question as math trivia.
4:5. Okay.
अरे क्रिश डिस्कस कर ले यार एक बार रुक एक सेकंड
अरे
सर
भाई
5 seconds
100%
left.
correct.
हाँ ठीक है
Okay. 4:5 will be the correct answer. 7th is correct. Okay. And the logic is same. You assume a third number and then you'll have to take 20% or maybe 50%. Next one. Timer starts. Team 4. Five, 4, 3, 2,
16.
16. That was 24.5 years. So that's incorrect. Okay. That's 24.5 years. Team 1, your question now.
Sir, 88.2.
88.2. Nope, 88.2 is incorrect. It's not 88.2. It's going to be 72 rupees. Okay. So this was incorrect. 9th one. Now 10th for team 4. So till now, सबका record same ही था. This was incorrect for team 1. Team 4, your question and your timer.
10.
How many?
10.
10. Okay. So your answer is 10, and that's incorrect. It will be 19. It will be 19. So if I want any of the average to be 0, of course the summation should be 0, right? So how many of them can be greater than 0? I can have just one negative number which is equal to in the absolute value as the other 19, right? So that will be 19. So both the teams are on the same record as of now. Are we going to have a tiebreaker or what? 3 incorrect and 2 correct till now. 11th question, team 1. Your timer is here.
ये भी क्वेश्चन उसमें था.
We should be able to do it.
I think it's 5%. 5%, yes.
Did they answer before the timer, Hardik sir?
I unmuted myself, sir.
Yeah, exactly at the end of the time we can consider it.
Okay, what was the answer?
5%, sir.
Okay. It's 5%. Yeah, that's correct. Exact at the last second they answered. This was question 11, which is correct for team 1. Let's take team 12. Question 12, team 4. This is your timer. What is value of x? That's the question. Now it was after the time. No, but it was for team 4. Okay, this was question number 12. The correct answer is 4. What we will do is we'll just multiply these two terms and then you add the power so that y is eliminated, right? And 27 and 243 are also 3 power 3 and 3 power 5. So everything turns into the base of 3. That will be the logic. Cool.
Can't give the correct answer?
It was incorrect.
Incorrect. Okay. Okay.
So 12th question. So now I guess team 1 has lead of one question on team 4.
Yeah, last 4 questions to go. Both the teams.
Yeah, last 4 questions.
So 2 to each team.
Sir, we have to give a rounded answer or what?
The question is on.
Sir, answer I have, sir.
3,600 है क्या? 0.2270.
2.7 into 10 raised to minus 4.
Yeah, so I was telling that only. 0.22 करके ऐसा. So answer was very big.
Answer is 0.00027, and we want only the decimal. We don't want the scientific notation.
So is it right or wrong?
It is same answer, sir.
It's the same answer. It's the same answer, I guess. But at the last second, what Pratham said was 0.2, and then Krish
I told 0.2.
0.2 is again 0.2 only.
अरे पर वो point लगा के ऐसे 0.000. I told 3 zeros and 2 and 7.
Hardik sir, what do you think?
No. It was incorrect. Okay,
it was incorrect.
Yeah,
But I said correct answer.
You said after the time was over. Okay.
Sir, I was saying and the time was over. Answer is so long. And at 10 seconds only, I had said that I have the answer. But you were saying something.
As a group, I guess you have to decide. As a group, you'll have to decide who is going to answer. Because Pratham said 0.2. I remember 0.2. And then Krish said the correct one in scientific notation. So we are going to keep this incorrect for team 1. Okay. That's why this is also about being quick. Next, Team 4, this is your question. This is your timer. Starts from 30.
Sir, 3 answer.
Answer is 3. Okay.
Yes.
Answer will be 5. And 11 is directly cancelled. 196 is square root of 14. This is 25 times 25, 625. Square root of that will be 5. How is it possible that 3 is going to be? 3 is not even factor, right? Of any of these numbers, I guess. Not a problem. This was incorrect for team 4. There is still one question lead from team 1. If they answer the next question correctly, they may.
Sir, just wait 1 second. Where is Saksham? We cannot see. We cannot see him in the.
Just a second. Saksham is there in the Zoom meet. I can see him in the list. Saksham, are you there? Please give us some signs of your presence. He is there. Yeah, he replied yes. Okay. Team 1, be ready. Next question. Your timer starts now. Come on. Okay, so we'll have to manually take it. It's 3 seconds already. I'm talking about the timer.
I think it is 2000. I'm not telling the final answer, sir. We're discussing. Yeah.
Okay, you can discuss.
Krish, Saksham, what do you guys say?
15 seconds.
Hmm.
10 seconds. I have the timer over here in the phone.
Saksham, Krish.
7,500.
3.
2000.
Saksham.
2000
is final. Okay. And May 2000 was the answer. And 2000 is the correct answer. It's simple ratio question, right? And they have extended the lead to 2 questions now on team 4. Let's take the final question for team 4. Your timer starts now. Three, 2, 1. Happy birthday, happy new year 2021 came. Yeah. Any guesses? This is not going to be considered, but still.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
I said 22.
22.
Okay. You said 22. Okay, 22. Did they say before the time, sir? I was not able to hear them.
I said.
Okay. I still
Yeah, Mr. Sir, if that is the case, if it is correct or incorrect, we have the.
We already have the winner. Even if they are correct or incorrect. So I guess it's one question lead, right, Hardik sir?
Yes.
So how many questions both of the team answered correctly or incorrectly?
Team 1 have answered 4 questions correctly out of 8, and team 4 have answered 3 questions correctly out of 8.
Okay. So team 1 is the winner of this match trivia. That will be House Dignity. Okay, Dignity. Pratham Shah, Saksham, Tanisha, and Krish. Let me just display their names. Congratulations. And team 4 just by 1 question, but I guess it's fine. We also reached to the final round. Okay. Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations, everyone.
Okay. Otherwise, see, I thought that one of the team may go and have a tie break. So we also had a tiebreaker round, but I guess we don't need it right now.
Yeah, there was a chance in the last question.
Yeah. We could have had that tiebreaker round. So congratulations to Dignity House, right, for winning the match trivia. You people will get the certificates, and we thank all of the participants and all of the mentors who are present over here. should I just stop sharing?
Yeah, okay, everyone. So thank you everyone for all the participants, and congratulations Team 1 for winning this year's Math Trivia event. So yeah, congratulations. You will receive your certificate soon. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye everyone. Yeah, you can leave.
निसर्ग सर
Yes.
सर आपका ये ऐप है
App?
जस्ट अ सेकंड सर